I just picked up these prime rib steak burgers from Sam's Club, and the reason I bought these is I needed something that was easy and convenient on the grill. And by looking at them, they don't look really fatty. They look like there's just enough fat to make a good burger.
You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry.
And to make these burgers a little bit better, I'm going with original Allegro marinade. When I grill burgers, this is what I use every time. It really brings out the flavor of the meat. It doesn't really hide the flavor of the meat, it doesn't cover it up where it tastes something else. There's a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to do a little black pepper and some Lawry's seasoned salt. And that is it. I'm going to let these set in the refrigerator for about another 10-15 minutes while the grill is heating up. In my opinion, you can't have a good burger unless you have a good bun. The hamburger rolls from the Walmart bakery is 100% the best burger bun that you can use. I like to get the grill good and hot, and it looks like we're running about 575 degrees. And the reason I like the high temperature on the grill is for those beautiful grill marks. And I cook my burgers well done, so they're about 4 to 5 minutes aside. All right, well, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see how they flip. I want to know if they hold together. That one held together pretty good. And yes, that one held together pretty good. And look at those beautiful grill marks. So we'll give this about another 4 or 5 minutes, and we're going to be eating burgers. All right, it is time for some cheese. Putting 2 pieces of cheese on each slice. And I'll tell you what, I wish I could share how good it smells. I am making some neighbors extremely hungry. Start with a toasted bun. And we're going to do my favorite mix, which is half mayonnaise, half ketchup, and black pepper. Fantastic on burgers. Patty. Pickle. Bacon. And another pickle. And a little more of the sauce. And the bun to top out that bad boy. I tell you what, for a home cooked burger, you really can't beat that. So I've got about halfway through my burger. The flavor is great. I had no arguments about the flavor. The texture is probably not as tender as some of the other type burgers that I've purchased. But what surprised me the most, for $6.24, this actually made a really decent burger. I wouldn't put it up in the premium category, but if you want something convenient, you want something easy, and with the marinade that I showed you, you're going to get a good grilled burger. And if you like the video today and you like grilled chicken, you should check out this video, because that video really shows you how to make great thin cut chicken. Anyway, I'm going to finish my burger, and I will see you on the next one.